Have you ever wanted to add a school logo or a soft watermark behind your document text, maybe for a worksheet, certificate, or newsletter? In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to add background text or an image in Microsoft Word. It's easier than you think, and once you learn it, you'll use it all the time. Let's begin with the background text. We'll use WordArt and place it behind the main content using the header area. First of all, you need to double-click on the header area of the document. This will open the header and footer setting. Then you have to go to Insert tab and click on the word art. Choose a style that suits your document. Type your text, something like confidential, sample, or your school name. Resize the font size or rotate as needed. Right-click the word art, go to Wrap Text and select Behind Text. Now move around this text on the document where you need it. Now up from the header and footer bar, close the header and footer design area. This will bring us back to the main document. This is how we add background text in MS Word. Now let's add an image like a school logo or a themed background. Again, double-click the header to enter the header and footer view. Go to Insert, Pictures, and choose your image. Right-click the image, go to Wrap Text, and choose Behind Text. If the image seems too bold, go to Picture, Format, Color, More Variations, go down and click More Colors. From here, you can adjust the transparency of the image. Resize and position it where you want, center, corner, or full page. Now click back the Design Header and Footer tools and click Close to come back to your main document. Now you can see the image sitting quietly behind your content, giving your document a professional touch. And that's it. You have just learned how to add background text and images in Word, perfect for school documents, teaching materials, or certificates. If you found this helpful, please share it with a fellow teacher or educator who might benefit. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how you're using background elements in your classroom resources.